Hey guys! Every winter we fall into the same routine. The weather changes, our skin starts feeling dry, and we're like, okay, heavy moisturizer, thicker cream, problem solved. But here's the truth, moisturizers alone don't fix skin issues. And that's where serums come in. They're honestly the most misunderstood step in skincare, especially in winters. Okay, let me tell you what actually happens to our skin in winters. In winter, the winter air makes our skin dry, and because of that our skin starts losing moisture even faster, and because of that our skin barrier weakens, and that's why we see dryness, dullness, flare ups, acne, pigmentation becoming even more darker, and fine lines becoming even more visible. A moisturizer mainly sits on the top of your skin and locks moisture in, but if your skin is already dehydrated or damaged, locking it in with a moisturizer doesn't really help. Whereas serums, they go deeper. They treat problem from the inside and not just on the surface. Let me tell you how to choose a serum. It's very simple. Instead of asking yourself which serum is the best, ask yourself that what is my skin struggling with right now. Let me break down the 4 serums I'm talking about today. And by the end of this video, I'll promise you know which serum to go for. So the first one that I have for you is the 2% hyaluronic acid plus 2% alpha arbutin serum. So, if you're concerned about, let's say, pigmentation and discoloration, if your skin has a lot of acne marks, dark patches, or uneven skin tone, or even darker circles, then this is the right serum for you. Alpha arbutin works on pigmentation as it helps fade dark spots and discoloration over time. And the hyaluronic acid, it helps maintain the moisture in the skin while preventing dryness and also helps strengthening your skin barrier. So the next serum is the ultra hydrating face serum. So if your skin gets really dry in winters, then you definitely need this one. If you notice white dry patches or skin peeling off because of dryness, or your face feels extremely rough and stretched after washing, then this serum helps. It will help you smoothen the flaky and dehydrated texture. This works really well for dry skin, but also for normal and combination skin if your skin feels dehydrated in winters. So the third serum that I have for you is the 10% niacinamide and vitamin C serum. If you're concerned about open pores, then this serum will help. The niacinamide in it minimizes pores, controls oil production, smoothens your skin texture, and the vitamin C helps you tackle dullness and also keeps your skin looking fresh and bright. So the last serum that I have for you today is the vitamin C and 2.5% glutathione serum. This is hands down the perfect beginner friendly serum because the vitamin C concentration here is lower, which makes it easier to use regularly. The vitamin C boosts collagen and improves your overall skin health, while glutathione helps in melanin reduction, which eventually helps with the uneven skin tone. Now, let me tell you how to use serums properly. So, first step is always to use it on a very clean and dry skin. Then you can take 2-3 drops of your serum, right? Gently pat into your skin and let it absorb completely. And that's it. It's that easy, right? You can use it twice, morning and night. Okay, real talk. Good skincare isn't about using more products. It's about using the right ingredients. Once you understand what serums do and how ingredients work, skincare stops being so confusing. Your skin will tell you what it needs. You just need to listen. I hope this video helps you. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more such videos.